everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Anne and I'm with my little girl and I'm going to show you a really simple style today that you could use on a school morning because it's really quite quick. It makes the shape of a diamond. There's a lot of diamond braids going around the internet at the moment, and that is where you take a little piece of hair and it's in an infinity braid and you add lots of pieces of hair. But for those people that find braiding a little bit tricky, or maybe they don't have enough time in the morning before school, this braid was just something that we just made up and it just looked really, really cute. It doesn't take very long to do, so we thought we'd just come and do a tutorial for you now so you can see. But before we get on to the tutorial, what we'd really like is if you would like to follow us and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell at the bottom, and then you'll be notified when we do our next tutorials. We try and do them fairly regularly, but obviously being a mummy with 3 children and a part-time teacher and just life, we're not one of those YouTubers that does them every single week regularly. So please don't worry if you don't see us. We haven't disappeared. We're just maybe busy doing ballet or football. So anyway, we'd love if you wanted to come and subscribe to us. But we can't promise we're going to do it every single week because we just can't. So anyway.
And today I've got another book.
Yeah, going to read a book. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a section of hair and I'm going to come to the back of her head, like so. You can see where I am. Okay, so the ponytail's going to be just the back of her head. I don't want it too high up, I want it near the back of her head so that when the I'm going to split this piece of hair into 2 pieces. And I'm going to plait each part. And then with this hair here, I'm going to split it into 3 pieces. And I'm just going to do a regular 3-strand braid. So I'm going to get this piece to go over the middle, outside over the middle. So you keep taking the outside pieces over the middle, over the middle, over the middle, over the middle. It's just doing a regular braid. I'm going to just use a small elastic and I'm just going to tie it fairly loosely on the end to secure that braid just there. And I'm going to do the same on this side. So for the diamond, we obviously wanted to go out and then back in again. So we need these 2 braids to go out to the side. And to hold them in place, we're going to put some little anchor ponytails just on the side. Now, if I was to go down here and part the hair to do my 2 ponytails, I'm going to get a part line that goes down the back of her head, and I don't think it looks brilliant. So to avoid this line, we're going to make our parting line go under the braid like this. That way you won't see the parting line and you've still got her hair running smoothly on the back of her head. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip these braids out of the way, and I'm going to use a clip that's smooth on each side so it doesn't pull on the hair, and just section it out of the way like that. Okay, so I'm going to take my comb from underneath the bobble and I'm going to go just to above the ear, just here. So I'm going to take the hair down like so. Slide out that braid. I'm going to be tying the braid to this little bobble that we've made here. So just comb it through, comb that down, So I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so from here, you could always finish it just like that and have a hair down style. Take out these little elastics at the bottom, like so. Just comb out the ends. And there we have a really cute little diamond braid. Really, really simple. Okay, so that's the hair down version. So let's have should we have a twirl with the hair down version? Ready to smell? Very nice. Okay. Okay, so I really like this style. I really like how simple it is. I like the way you've got the diamond braid, which is really fashionable at the moment, but it's a really, really simple way. So if you can do a 3-strand braid, you've got 4 hair bobbles, really, really easy. And again, remember not to do the parting down the middle. Take the parting that way, then you can cleverly hide it underneath the braids, and it just looks a lot neater. It just gives it a better finish, I think. So let's have the final spin now then with the ponytail version. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you really like it. I will put a link in the description box below to where we get our little colourful bobbles from, because they're really soft on the hair and they don't pull out. They're really, really sweet, and they come in all sorts of different colours. So for example, today we've gone all pink. So we've got the beautiful pink bobbles. So it's really, really nice. They come in a big pack, so I'll put the link to those in the bottom, and there'll be a video coming up at the end of this tutorial that you might like to also watch. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and then you'll see the next tutorial coming soon. So until next time, I hope you have a really, really good week, and we'll see you soon. Bye!